Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate strawberry hearts. Making these hearts is a fantastic idea for Valentine's Day treat. These are easy to make, cute and delicious too. Let's begin with the recipe. I have some washed and dried strawberries. Using a knife, chop the leafy section and then cut the strawberry into half like this and join both the parts. I'm going to insert a toothpick into it so that it stays together, and a heart-shaped strawberries here. Let me make the rest. Using a paper towel, dry the strawberries from both the sides, otherwise the chocolate will have a hard time sticking to the strawberries. Let's work with the chocolate. I have taken white chocolate chips. You can use dark or milk chocolate as well. I'm going to microwave it for a minute. Stir it nicely and a melted and silky chocolate is ready. Take your strawberry hearts and pour the chocolate over the strawberries to coat completely. Shake to remove the excess chocolate and place it on a parchment paper. Be very fast in this step as the chocolate will harden and it won't stick to the strawberries. Similarly, let's coat the rest. Now I'm going to add very little red food coloring to give a light pink color to our chocolate. Goes in the red food color. Mix well to get a nice pink color. Now let's make some pink color strawberry hearts. Don't worry about the texture as we will decorate it and it will hide. Now time to decorate them. You can drizzle some melted dark chocolate or sprinkle some chopped nuts. I'll be using some sprinklers. Goes in our cute red sprinklers. Making these little hearts is so fun. I'm going to pop this tray into the refrigerator for 15 minutes and then show you how it looks like. After 15 minutes, our hearts are all set. Let's get rid of the toothpick. Take one heart in your hand and slowly pull the toothpick out of the strawberry. Remove the extra chocolate to give a perfect heart shape. And a chocolate strawberry heart is ready. Doing the same with all of them. These heart-shaped chocolate strawberries are perfect for sharing with people you love, as each of you can have one half of the heart. Voila! These are super cute. Aren't these adorable and delicious too, as chocolate and strawberry is one of the best combinations. If you make this, I'm sure you're gonna bring a smile on someone's face. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.